I'm so in love with you. She did that. Okay? So, I know it seems like I'm being like a fat ass and just talking about food again, but I am. As you see now, I was eating an empanada. The empanada is vegan, okay? Let me tell you something. When I bit into this, I was just like dancing and so happy, and I was trying to make videos on Snapchat to like let Snapchat know how good the food was. Like, mind you, I kept laughing like a little stupid schoolgirl who just saw her crush. Like, I'm not gonna lie, I've been very judgmental when it comes to vegan food because I'm like, I'm not giving up meat. Like, I'm not doing that. Bitches. When I bit into, hold on. When I bit into this empanada yesterday, you couldn't tell me nothing. My sister has a friend whose name is Erin. Hey, Erin. I have her business card right here. I don't know if you can see it. You gotta put my hand behind it. Jesus. But, there it is. She makes amazing vegan food. Like, I go to my sister and her friend. I'm like, there's no meat in this? And they're like, no. I'm like, first of all, I thought Ashton Kutcher was going to come out and tell me that I'm being pumped. Because I'm like, I taste this and I taste meat. There's absolutely no meat in it, and it's absolutely amazing. It's so amazing. And it really changed my perspective on vegan food and vegan-based products. For instance, my sister, she makes vegan Coquito. Like, even this shit's amazing. Like, mind you, I have a cup on the side. Like, it's absolutely amazing. Like, it tastes just like regular Coquito, if not better, honestly. I'm not saying it because she's my sister, because if it was trash, it wouldn't even be in this video. Love you, sis, but if it was trash, I'd tell you. But it's, this is my drinking cup from the Rose Mansion, but it's absolutely amazing. Like, the vegan community, they do not get enough credit, because like I said, I bit into this beautiful empanada, and you couldn't tell me there was no meat in it. Like, it was amazing. And I just think people need to be a lot more open when it comes to vegan food, because, you know, I honestly was astonished. I was surprised. Like I said, I was like a little stupid schoolgirl that saw her crush when I bit into, just from biting into the empanada. Then I'm over here dancing like, whoo, yes, this is good as shit. Like, listen, guys, be more open-minded when it comes to vegan food. Now, I'm not saying I'm going to change my lifestyle, because, you know, when I want some fried chicken, I want some fried chicken. Even though knowing Erin, she probably can make some bomb-ass fried chicken. So, guys, just let's be more open-minded when it comes to vegan food, because, like, I've been into that and I was just astonished. Like, let's talk. Tell me what some of y'all favorite vegan foods that you have, because for me, it's this empanada. Just her whole meal was empanada with some rice and some plátanos, as y'all like to say, as Jamaicans will say, plantains. But her food was amazing. My sister Coquito, amazing. And I'm going to put their information in my description, so make sure you check my description out. Guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like what you see, like what you hear, comment, like, share, and subscribe. Hey, until next time. Until next time. Oh, and don't forget to hit that bell. That what? Hit that bell. That bell, so you can get my notifications. Until next time, mwah, mwah, mwah. Bye, guys.